Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer weiteren Folge Ghostbusters. Hier ist wieder euer Anulu. Hallo. Wir haben immer noch da das Kindergeschrei. Jetzt gehen wir dem mal nach.
You got that right, Scooter.
Also vielleicht
Special collections. These rooms are packed with rare and valuable volumes. Okay, she's in here with Egon. No noise.
Almost.
Oh boy.
Ja, jetzt habe ich auch keinen Lärm gemacht.
Looks like they're throwing the whole science fiction section at us.
Hey.
Their shields. Use the capture stream on their shields.
Hey, hilfe nach Jungs.
Remember how you were saying Print was dead?
I wish.
Now where'd she go?
Valence is up. She definitely left a trace somewhere.
Wieder den einschalten, hä?
Big spike. Right here.
Ich weiß. Ja, welches denn?
Yeah, check this out. I feel a breeze. Oh, cool. Secret passages. These are great.
Ja, der kommt voraus. Ja, das will er auch wieder nicht.
I didn't even know this area existed.
Looks like the janitors didn't either. For the last 80 years anyway.
Ja, sieht schon danach aus, ja. Wow.
What are those? I don't recognize them from Tobin's.
No. They're in the revised Ethiary catalog. I think the Grey Lady is constructing them from the books and minor spirits here. She may be more powerful than we thought.
Ich bin noch froh, reden die so viel, dann muss ich nicht so viel. Ausser ihr wollt, dass sie die nachsprechen mit ein bisschen eigenen verschiedenen Tonlagen und so. Dürft ihr mir es gerne in die Kommentare schreiben, dann würde ich mir die Mühe machen.
Take a look at this place.
Absolut kein
I
Problem.
could spend a month taking inventory of these books.
Let's be very careful what we wish for down here, Ray.
Wow, dig that.
Ray, I'm not entirely convinced this is the best course of action.
Hey, I'll bet this is a trap.
Welcome back, Ray.
Hij is al zeker. Nou, dat moet jij wel niet, hè.
Get that one of the books. Uh-oh, they've got friends.
Oh, daar is jou nog een.
I'm having serious
weg.
doubts about the structural integrity of this sub-basement. It's moving again!
Over to the left. Pull the same trick
Weg
twice.
met euch Ding. Ah, die können noch etwas verleiden, die Keipen, hä?
Moving.
Die mit den Schildern.
I'm telling you, the substructure is unstable. The ceiling could come down on top of us.
Wow. Ja.
Our low probe
It's a sage,
experiment
huh?
is working. You're clairvoyant.
No, I saw the support column buckle.
Vouwen her.
Stay on it.
Eine mit der... Meine muss jetzt haben wir noch eine für nichts hergelegt. He?
Over there. Oh boy.
Dass die immer muss verschwinden.
Creepy.
Little bit. Sind meine Jungs noch da? Ja.
Those beams are wedged solid.
Da kommt sicher noch einer raus.
Good place for the capture screen.
Dem Sperrstrahl, weil ist der da jetzt nicht mehr da?
Alright, wrangle that out of the way.
Ja. In einem Moment. Das ist auch nicht, hä? Das ist ja so nicht, das habe ich aber die alles probiert.
Those beams are wedged solid.
Good place for the capture screen.
Du, aber das ist doch der Sperrstrahl. Wartet jetzt. So. Nein. Hier. Nein. Hier. Nein. Jetzt geht es Sperrstrahl. He? Der Sprengstrahl. Ja, mache ich ja. Aber passiert ja nichts.
Yank it out of there.
Ah. Auch nicht. Hey, hey, hey.
Alright, wrangle that out of the way.
Also es tut mir leid, schnell das jetzt geht. Oh, das tut mir so.
Those beams are wedged solid.
Good place for the capture screen. That's excellent.
Sag ich doch, dass man es beides gleichzeitig muss drücken. Da kommst du mal raus. Das ist okay. Donner. Ich vergesse es zu drücken.
Wonder what's down there.
Something big.
So,
and
das
more
ist
than
jetzt.
likely terrifying.
Aha, hartnäckige Saumohren gsi. Na, guck nochmal. Oh, da ist da keine Führung übernommen.
It's really dark down there. Damn, too.
Wonderful. Hope you don't have any open cuts. I'm thinking flesh-eating bacteria.
That's an electric lock on the door.
See if you can find the power.
Jetzt eine Stromquelle finden. Aha.
Great, the recruit found it. I wonder if it's a good idea to be standing in a foot and a half of water.
That didn't last long.
Wow. Ja. Ich wieder. Schade, ist da hier jetzt ein Teil, Mann. Wow, nicht gegen auf einen Rekrut. Komm mal die andere Waffe. Ah, so okay.
I can't say I'm a big fan of the level 6 bidimensional attractor.
I'm with you on that. We're lucky there were only some old books for it to manifest with.
Recruit, you okay?
Na,
Keep
Logo.
moving.
Alles klar. Mir geht's gut.
This is cheery. Nice place. Nothing bad could ever happen in here.
There she is! Flank her! She's got nowhere to run! Except through the grate.
I'm not clear
Ja.
on how the flanking was supposed to work.
Oh, Nachtigkeit.
Oh boy, burning coal. 2 of them this time.
Yeah, nice, Ray. Tell us again how lucky we are.
Ja, jetzt geht's langsam schon ein bisschen schneller mit denen. He?
We don't have that one in the database.
Gotta bag the Grey Lady before this gets really dangerous.
We may have missed that window, Ray.
Ja, ich glaube so.
We're through that grate. Is there another way?
Was soll ich da für einen nehmen? He? Okay.
What you find there, young blood? Good work. Spangler, the kid found the exit.
I added something new to the pack. This is the PDS, Plasm Distribution System. Basically, it's Slime Blower Mark II, heavily modified from the earlier version. Your plasm banks are now integrated into the proton pack. It uses a base culture of ectoplasm that can impair entities, cause caustic black slime to go inert, and reveal otherwise invisible ethereal structures that reside on this plane.
To use the slime blower, just point and squirt. It'll help neutralize any active patches of black slime. It'll close any portals they're opening too. See? Neutralized slime.
Okay. Als Schleimsprenger, Druckverstärker. Das sehe ich wieder. Stehen neu. Schleimsprenger. Okay, das ist auf dem 3. He? Okay. Okay. Is das da unten? Jetzt tropft es grün. Okay.
Our own private shortcut to hell. That's convenient.
Uh-oh.
Eerie place. I wonder if this is where the collector killed the librarian.
I think that would be a safe assumption. That book she's reading is emitting massive energy.
That's your cue, killer. Go get him.
wieder der Junior alles machen. Für das haben sie ihn auch angestellt, da haben sie ein bisschen weniger zu tun. Und wieder mal sind wir im schönen Ladebildschirm. Also Glück ist das Zeichen so schön oben.
She took that pretty well, better than I expected.
It makes perfect sense if her residual spirit energy is tied to the book. The Gozerian Codex, right? Now that we have it, her echo must have been released. She's gone. I think we helped her cross over.
Irgendetwas hier ist noch nicht super.
And she just crossed right back.
Oh, no.
Ahoi, du. Einfach mal Waffen wechseln. Ui.
Bookstands are generating her shield.
Buddy, the podium! Soak 'em! Soak 'em!
Die schwebenden Buchständer. Okay. Ich glaube, da muss ich Waffen wechseln. Na komm.
She is shielding herself with the codices! Go after those first!
That's it.
Oi.
She can't regenerate the cage. Keep hitting the bookstands.
Merci, Kiel.
Bookstands are generating her shield.
Ich doch da.
Above you. The whole swarm. That does it. Now let's attack the librarian straight on.
Ui, 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 ui. Ich war schon einen gehabt.
Throw a capture screen on him!
That's good. Throw out the trap.
Wow, jetzt geht's verdammt schnell mit dem. Mit der neuen Fall, die wir haben. Nice. Wo jetzt Kiel?
Weird. That wasn't as tough as it should have
I
been.
was just thinking the same thing.
It was almost
Ehrlich gesagt
she
auch.
wants us to have the codex.
Yes, like she wanted us to blast this room apart.
But why? Cross-dimensional portal. From the 5th to the 4th. A whole world of ghosts. Something I've dreamt about since college. It's all in the Monarchia Demonium. Fantastic. Ghost world.
Wouldn't get too excited, Rick. I have a feeling she did it so we can meet an old friend of hers.
Well, if we're going...
Not much choice, is there? It's the only way out. You, take the lead. Don't worry, we do this all the time.
Du bist eine Witzige.
Oh no! Look out!
So this is what the public library looks like on the far side of a cross-dimensional portal.
It's one of infinite potential configurations. You know, theoretically.
Wow.
Yes, well, this looks like the Gozerian configuration.
Watch out, black slime.
Jetzt muss ich da wieder das 3 nehmen. Hä? Es ist auch jetzt da, was da nichts gemacht.
Come on, let's go! All right, keep your head down and keep hitting these portals. One of them has got to lead out.
The scientific method, Ray?
Wow, Kiele.
Natives are restless.
Well, they're certainly aware of our presence.
Ei, ei, ei. Oh, komm doch mal ein bisschen fort. Okay, jetzt probieren wir nochmal eins. Nehmen wir noch das da. Nichts gewesen. Nichts gewesen. Suchen wir eins da oben. He? Wow. What the heck? Leicht verwirrend. Da komme ich ja nie nachher. Was soll ich jetzt den verwenden? Ich kann nochmal Younger schauen dort. Was ist los? Oh oh. Ui, das ist nicht gut. Das ist nicht gut. Nein, jetzt hat es mich wieder. Ah, der hat die Waffe nicht gewechselt. Oh. Mein Gott. Ah, hi, Alter.
Well, that was embarrassing. Looks like a good place for slime tether. To stretch a slime tether, point and launch the first anchor, then point and shoot the second. The launched slime tether will then contract. The more tethers you attach to a point, the stronger the resulting reaction. Since their ectoplasmic charge has a short half-life, tethers will grow brittle over time and then break. You can blast an existing tether with any other equipment type to destroy it.
Okay. Ja, ist noch lustig. Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Huh, would you look at that? Heck, we should be able to put that back into place.
Okay.
Ghost world or no, the principle of leverage should still work the same anywhere. Come on, John Henry, put your back into it.
Braucht noch einen.
Ah, yeah, you're on fire, cadet.
Nice.
Ray, it occurs to me that these events are interrelated.
The Gozerian exhibit, the huge energy pulse, the Sedgwick Hotel. The return of Stay Puft? Yeah.
Yes, even this, all pointing back to a single point of origin.
Elissa?
Elissa.
You think she's a factor in this?
Maybe not intentionally, but almost definitely.
Nee. Nee, wieder allein lassen.
Rookie, you still there? Watch out. The mirrors aren't what they seem.
Wow, creepy, man. Da komme ich nicht raus. Oh, da ist in den Spiegel. Da komm raus. Wisst ihr was? Ich glaube, dann haben wir in der nächsten Folge. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Merci vielmals fürs Zuschauen. Ich wünsche euch noch einen schönen Rest. Tschüss zusammen, euch Anulu.